Let's understand the difference between agentic RAG system and traditional RAG system. To begin with, let's understand how our LLMs like ChatGPT and Claude works. Like, let's say you have given it a prompt and asked it to find the biggest country in the world in terms of area. It will answer you it's Russia because it's been trained with tremendous amount of data. But whereas the same LLM, what's the cost per lead of the previous campaign that we ran, it doesn't answer you properly because it doesn't have the proper data. That is where RAG system comes in. If you don't know what is RAG, I have made a detailed video on how RAG system works. I have given the link in the description. Go check it out. So let's continue. See, in traditional RAG system, let's say you have given it a query. This query will be embedded as a vector, and this vector will go into the knowledge base, that is vector database, and finds the relevant data that is similar to the questions that you have asked. If it finds a suitable answer in that vector database, it will augment the question and the suitable answer, and it will bring that to the LLM. LLM will have both context of your question and the knowledge database that it has retrieved and augmented. So based upon that, it will give you a proper result from your own database. There won't be any irrelevant data. Whereas if you want to connect multiple databases, let's say you have to connect a marketing knowledge database and HR knowledge database and operations database. At this time, if there is nobody here who directs the questions to the relevant knowledge database, there will be chaos and you won't get proper results. That is where agentic RAG system comes in. See, here, if we introduce agent, what it will do? It will check your query. If the query is related to marketing, it will direct the question to the marketing knowledge database. And if it is related to HR, it will direct it to HR database. Due to this, you will get accurate result on all the query that you make. And also in agentic RAG system, you can connect multiple vector databases. Like even if you want one more database, you can connect it with the agent and you can prompt the agent accordingly. Like you can give set of instructions to the agent so that it will give the query to the proper knowledge database. If you have any doubt, comment down below. I will reply you.